just want to, show you the beautiful place, environment here near to my lot here in Tawala, Panglao. And yeah, this property belongs to YY Construction and Hardware. And they bought this maybe a long time ago, like around 12 years ago. And still, they don't really use this, so we can just try to roam around here. And now I will show you this kind of fruit that I just learned the knowledge from this man here. What's your name? They told me that this kind of fruit can be eaten, but I'm not sure because I didn't really saw this. But I want to know what's the name of this tree, but he refused. What's nga na ni Doy? I don't know. What's the taste? And then how big is okay, but how big is the unod? Masa kada ka? Ay gamay di gapon. Oh my god, masin almond ni Doy nga dagko pero Pilipinas. Anyway guys, so that's it. I will show you the kind of fruit that I'm talking. We call it Pilipinas almond. Almond na lang ni. Pinas almond. And this one is wala pa dyan mo nakuit na Doy. O di pa duha o. Grabiha oy. Hinog lagi na ay kabalaka kay reklamo na akong fetus. Lagi. Oh, di pa isa ko abe. So na ng paper bag. Bye bye guys. Now I have to pick some pomelo. You know, my bandmate last 2 weeks ago, they tried to get a lot of tambis here, but I didn't really like tambis. I like makupa, but now it's finished. Sila rin nakahurot oh. Sala rin. So karon buongon nga akong gusto kay aron. Para mabuhi akong baby boy.
Yeah, kanay.
Yeah. Kan duha. Baby boy, stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. Ow! Papakuit ko ari ba daw kay ila. Di ba isa ba daw kay? Oo kana.
Sure, kay hinog
Hinog lagi na. Maski di na hinog tiraho na gyapon.
Okay. Kung may sugo, sige.
Asa inyong bayad doy? Sir.
Dira runner lang.
How old are you if you don't mind?
29.
29, so you're just a baby. Wala nilain? Na nasuguan nung ka.
Inak na ba?
Dili pa.
Kulang pa. Wala na.
Wala nang bunga.
Wala na kay.
Ikaw na pa yung naghurot, ani. Punguta ka doy, hutdon man mo. Sige mo ko tanaw, ani, mabuntag mo. Mag-walking mo ko mabuntag, oy. Kuha sila. Isod na, ana. So anyway guys, bye-bye.